What happens when a drug company requests FDA approval for use of a precision medicine cancer drug that goes beyond the scope of its clinical trials or has no demonstrated benefit? And then what happens when the FDA approves these requests? And why should anybody care? Today, on the Rising Tide podcast, we talk with Dr. Lee Cockey of Stanford University, who in 2021 authored the peer-reviewed article with the ominous title of Loose Regulatory Standards Portend a New Era of Imprecision Oncology. Dr. Cockey is a hematologist-oncologist with board certification in oncology, hematology, and internal medicine. He is also a clinical assistant professor of oncology at Stanford University School of Medicine. And what's most important, Dr. Cockey is paying attention and publishing about the advances in his field, and some of what he sees worries him. In preview, Dr. Cockey has some concerns about the current state of precision medicine in treating cancer patients.
My concern with precision medicine is that it's perceived to be more precise than it truly is. And when this happens, this can lead people to argue against performing randomized clinical trials or producing high-quality evidence, or in some cases even disregarding the proven therapies that have been shown to work in the past in favor of unproven therapies because of precision medicine. You're taking something that has not been proven to have a benefit compared to things that have been shown in rigorous studies to actually help patients live longer, live better. So these broad drug approvals contradicted the principles of precision medicine, where we're trying to be more precise and not less precise.
So, if some precision medicine is overpromising, what was the promise to begin with?
Specifically for oncology, I think we think of precision medicine when we reference the idea of using molecular or genomic markers or data of a patient's cancer or their germline to guide therapy decisions. I think this definition is a pretty accurate representation of how we think about it today in 2021. And this would be in contrast to, I guess, what you'd say is non-precision medicine or regular oncology, which is, the world before the modern definition of precision medicine, where we would use histology or pathology to guide therapy. I think the promise of precision medicine in oncology is the idea that we could test a patient's tumor for molecular change and then use that information to pick the best treatment for that patient. And then ideally that treatment would be highly effective with minimal toxicity.
Okay, so precision medicine is meant to be precise and accurate. But what's the harm for patients if drugs are FDA approved beyond the scope of what they've been demonstrated to be able to do?
I think the harm is three things. One, they'll experience the side effects of treatment. Two, they'll experience the expensive cost of therapy. And three, all of that is with a low likelihood of benefit.
And beyond the patient level, what is the impact of making precision medicine not so precise?
But I think the big consequence of all this is uncertainty. We are welcoming a lot more uncertainty into the practice of medicine, and that uncertainty has consequences for patients, it has consequences for our society.
Please follow the links to freely listen or view the full podcast presented by the Center for Genomic Interpretation, a 501c3 nonprofit organization that works with precision medicine stakeholders to help them realize value and improve patient safety in clinical genetics, genomics, and precision medicine.